KSA pays condolences to Rupak Pegu. KAAC CM extends financial assistance to an ailing man. Local residents of Manja urge quarantine persons to follow government rules. Hello and a very good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news of the day. Now let's look into the news in detail. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang had on Wednesday informed that 7 fresh cases of COVID-19 positive were reported from Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district. This had taken the total to 130 and is expected to go up in the coming days as more test results arrive. Out of the 7 new cases, 4 are from Karbi Anglong, whereas 3 persons are from West Karbi Anglong district. The CEM further informed that the persons who were tested positive were all returnees from outside the state. He had appealed people to stay calm and not to panic. No new patients have recovered in the last 2-3 days, and the tally of recovered patients stays at 64. No new deaths have also been reported. Meanwhile, 14 COVID-19 positive patients from different quarantine centers in Bogajan have been shifted to Dipu Medical College and Hospital for treatment. On the other hand, 231 more patients have been discharged from several hospitals in Assam, taking the count of discharged persons to 2,642, while 1,952 cases are active. As per the information shared earlier by the State Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Assam targeted surveillance program had begun to function in several hospitals of Guwahati to conduct random COVID-19 tests for determining whether the city is under community transmission stage or not. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. On the 16th of June, the local residents of Manja, including SGB, members of Manja Bajar Committee and several organizations had a meeting wherein they have strongly urged upon the people kept in quarantine to strictly follow the rules and regulations laid down by the government. At a time when the pandemic is rapidly spreading on all parts of the world and killing lakhs of people, the Government of India, Government of Assam and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council are working relentlessly to prevent further spread of the virus. Health workers and local administrative bodies are also working day and night to contain the disease. As a part of this effort, thousands of migrant workers and stranded persons returning from outside Assam are being kept in several quarantine centers where their COVID-19 tests are done. Most of the persons are strictly following the guidelines, but a few people have taken the preventive norms very lightly and are breaking the rules. With this, there is a risk and danger for the disease to easily spread in the community. Keeping this in view, the people of Manja have urged upon the COVID-19 patients and those who are advised to be in quarantine not to disobey the order of the government.
Administrative lapen authority tumhan pachini pen alang itum stame quarantine center long kabuhadam dia pansi nili tum siling lo
non COVID-19 kilong abang pu tumhan seki pibom quarantine center long kedo tuman phan achuning ri alam sini ini buta ipale kaktu kasi abang pu akorti tingju stame mani yang si COVID-19 akeso itu bang mate itin bom lang atau panjang si quarantine center long kibi pondo pulotang tealang tumhan sinili tuningri pati krimiglo.
They further stated that strict actions will be taken if anyone is found violating the quarantine norms. The meeting was attended by SGP Lawrence Ronghang and KSA Manja Branch President Edwinson Teron among others. Rosan Hansi report from Dipu, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live News after the break. The Dilai and HDP branches of the Karbi Students Association have paid their condolences to late Rupak Pegu, an innocent youth from Dhemaji who was murdered in broad daylight in Guwahati by 5 miscreants. Showing their angst and pain over the brutal murder of Rupak Pegu and also seeking justice for him, the members of Karbi Students Association Dilai and HDP branches on Tuesday paid their tribute and condolences to his departed soul. The HDP KSA members lighted lamps and candles in his tribute. In Dilai, the program was attended by Dilai Police Station Officer in Charge Ranjit Hajarika and Health Officer of Dilai State Dispensary, Dr. Jirjar Phura Timung, along with KSA Bokajan Regional Committee Secretary Nobin Rompi, Dilai KSA President Abirta Timung, and members of KARSA, among many others. They lighted candles in their office premise and also in Dilai Gate. During the program, the KSA have strongly urged upon the government of Assam to deliver justice to the victim's family at the earliest. They have also vehemently condemned the killing of the innocent youth. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. Carrying forward his task of assisting the needy people, KAAC CM Tuliram Ronghang had provided financial aid to Jitan Togbi, who had been ill for the last 5 years. On getting the news of Jitan's sickness through social media, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council chief directed local journalists of Diphu to visit the patient along with some amount of money for immediate medical treatment. Jitan Togbi is a resident of Sikari Hanse village under Disama No. 2, which falls under Lumbajong MSC constituency. The journalists had to face much difficulty to reach him as he lived alone in the forest. When the journalists, along with our Karbi Anglong Live team member, reached to him, they came to know that Jitan had been sick for more than 5 years. Jitan's brother Dharamvir Togbi said that they did not ask Jitan to live in the forest. He moved out from the house on his own will, and that they were doing all efforts for his treatment. Despite that, Jitan is still living an isolated life. Jitan and his family members have thanked the CEM for his generosity. Diganta Teron's report, Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Lives. Have a good day.